Hi, I guess it's time for an update, huh? I fell the other day. I'm actually going to show the video at the very end. I won't show me bouncing off the ground, but I'll show you me falling. And it's odd. I'm going to have to put different music to it, but because of copyright. But I was dancing to I Want to Be Free. And I am free now. I am doing good. One reason you should camp with women your age or people your age was because there was a woman there that had a walker. In fact, she said she had 4 walkers, not with her, but she had 4 walkers altogether, and the one that she had there was only $15. So she was going to gift it to me, but we decided to barter instead. I gave her 2 patches in return for the walker. And I used it for a couple of days, and just this morning I took it by a Goodwill store and donated it. I don't need it anymore. Yeah, I'll use the cane for a while to be careful, and I am so grateful for all of your good wishes. They must have worked. Your prayers and good wishes and thoughts worked, because I'm walking pretty good right now. I wanted to stop using the walker because I was leaning it on so hard that my shoulders were getting tired. So I'm getting back to normal now. And so this is just a very quick update to tell you that I'm just fine now. I'm going to be careful and probably no more dancing in Crocs. Yeah, they don't slide on concrete. Just a little warning there. It seems fine right now. And so that's the update on the injuries. It was worth it though. It was wonderful. When I posted that dark video the other night, you might have wondered why I wasn't showing anything. Well, I had just come in from having fallen, and I just didn't feel like moving around and setting up lights and tripods and so forth, so I just filmed in the dark. Actually, I was going to ask Ramona if she would watch it after I put it up and see if I ought to delete it or something, if it was too silly, but I thought if I report on this tomorrow, it won't be authentic. It won't be as real if I just go ahead and do it now. So I just did it, and just passing along my thoughts in the dark. And so I wanted to update you. As we left the meetup today, we are starting the Florida Safari. So right now I'm pretty sure 12, we'll know for sure this afternoon. There are 12 of us in a rolling meetup, just exploring Florida like a treasure hunt. A free-flowing meetup around Florida. Just going to find some special places, some free places, some state parks, all sorts of things. Tonight happens to be a Cracker Barrel, and we'll keep you updated. We're not going to tell you exactly where we are at any time, of course. That wouldn't be safe. But we'll be doing some updated videos and more van tours. In the meantime, this weekend, I hope to get up at least one more van tour, because I did several in Arizona, and so I hope to be doing quite a few more videos on the Arizona trip shortly. So look forward to that. And now, please forgive me for showing this video. I'm going to keep it really short, just show you me twirling around being silly, and then crash. I'm not going to show the crash part, so that's a little TMI. Where I'm bouncing off the floor. But I'll show you as I'm going down anyway. And so see you in the next video. Look forward to some Arizona and some van tours. Thank you for all your well wishes, and everything's fine. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye. Watch for the downfall. Everything's fine. Bye.